Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a paper ice cream, which is perfect for summer, so much fun, and you can make it look like whatever you want. So we're just going to start with a piece of paper, it can be any color, and we're going to make it even look better at the end. And you just need a pair of scissors. If you'd like, you can outline a curve at the top to make your paper look like ice cream. I didn't do this, I just went ahead and cut just a round piece. And if you make a mistake, you can always go back and cut another piece off to make it look more even, or make your ice cream cone look however you want to make it look, whatever shape. Then going around your house, if you can find any markers, colored pencils, crayons, whatever you can, stickers even, you're just gonna go ahead and draw sprinkles, whatever you like. As you can see, I started with some hearts here, and you can just have fun with your ice cream. Now that we're done making our ice cream look pretty, we're gonna take any kind of popsicle stick, or if you even want to make your own out of paper, that's fine too. I had this really cute polka dot one, and all you need is a piece of tape or some glue, and we're just gonna stick it right on the back to make sure that it's secure and it won't fall. It should look something like this when we're finished. And then you have the perfect summer treat to carry around and show your friends. And I even added the word yummy to it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching.